In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Outlook inbox. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to force your email to update so new messages appear right away, and I'll add a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search box, type Outlook. This is just a quick way to get to the official Outlook site without needing to remember any specific address. In the search results, click the official Outlook website. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual account and proceed to your mailbox. Once Outlook opens, look to the left-hand side and click Inbox. This ensures you're viewing the folder where new mail arrives. If you use features like Focused and Other, make sure you're on the view you expect, so nothing is hidden from you. Now we're ready to refresh. At the top of the Outlook window, click the View menu. This is where Outlook groups display options along with controls that help you manage how your mailbox updates. Inside the View menu, click Sync. This triggers a manual sync, which tells Outlook to connect to your mail server immediately and pull in any messages that haven't appeared yet. You'll usually see a brief status indicator while it checks for updates. When it finishes, your inbox will show the latest emails. If you don't see a change right away, give it a few seconds. Large attachments or a slower connection can make syncing take a bit longer. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, since sync depends on an active connection. In some versions of Outlook, you may see similar wording like Send or Receive, or a circular refresh icon. These options perform the same job of fetching new mail and updating your folders. A quick tip for Outlook on the web. If you're in your browser, look for the refresh or sync icon near the top of your mailbox. Clicking it has the same effect as the sync option in the menu. On Windows desktop, pressing F9 is another handy shortcut to send and receive all folders, which includes refreshing your inbox. That's all there is to it. Open Google, search for Outlook, go to the official site, select your inbox, open the View menu, and click Sync. Use this anytime you're expecting an important message and don't want to wait for the automatic refresh. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your inbox up to date with just a couple of clicks.